This is it right here. These Lotus Trolley Bags are the bomb.com, okay? I'm going to show you why. I'm going to scooch back because you get 4 bags. The design of these is flawless. You get 4 bags. This, you get to the store, you grab your bags, you hook this to your, to the handle of your cart. So all your bags are just chilling as you're walking. They're just sitting like this on your cart, doing your damn thing. You're adding all your groceries into your cart, whatever. You get in line to cash out. You whip out these babies. I'm telling you, this is like the cat's ass. The cat's meow, as my mom would say. Then you undo this. And these bags are huge. I could fit like a whole basket or like a whole big ass cart. A whole cart in 2 of these bags. Like, you do not need 4 of these, but I think 4 comes in the whole thing. So you put all your groceries on there, and then you're like, okay, it's time to get my bags out. You set the bag, because it has these little, what do you call it? I don't even know exactly what you call them, but they rest on the cart. And then you do this. It's the best. So I'm going to show you a picture because I was so hyped at the store, and I'm telling you, every single time that I go in store and put these in my cart, people are like, oh my God, that is the shit, because it keeps all dowels. I'm telling you, everybody always is like, oh my God, that's the best, because it keeps all of your groceries like upright and they're not falling all over the place because it gives your bag structure. Oh my God, I'm telling you, I don't get excited about things often, but it just it chills. Hang on, let me get it in focus so you guys can really see it. It sets right in there. You just go, whoop. It's perfect. And then because of the size of these, I'm telling you, you fit so much stuff in these. Like all you people out there that are like me, where I want to get my shit and get in and out in one trip from my car to my house. A whole cart will fit in 2 of these, but this was why I really love this brand specifically, because you can get these on Amazon. They're called trolley bags. The reason that I like this brand specifically is because one of the bags has for your freezer food. Most of the other ones don't have that. So again, this is Lotus Trolley Bags. I love the fact that they have, insulated. That's the word I'm looking for. Insulated. So I'm obsessed with those. Adulting 101. I freaking love those things. And every time I go to the store and people are like, oh, where'd you get those? And I'm like, Amazon. I freaking love it.